Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to find which numbers are odd and which numbers are even in Microsoft Excel. So here this number is 18, and to find if it is odd or even I will write equal to, and I will use this if function, and inside this for logical test I will use the mod function. Mod will find the remainder when it is divided by a number. So first I will select this number, and then I will write 2 as divisor, then close this bracket, and the logical test will be if the mod of b2 divided by 2 is equal to 0. So if this is 0, then value if true is even, and value if false is odd. And that's all. Now let's copy this formula for the entire range. So here you can see it shows the even numbers and the odd numbers. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.